Good evening, friends. Warm welcome to all of you. I am personally uh, very happy to have our seniors from Gurgaon and Mumbai in our middle today. I'll keep it very brief today. You must have heard me in the first and second foundation day. I had actually carried on for quite a while, but today I'll keep it short. But one thing that I want all of you to know, that without the support of people sitting on this dais, we would not have reached where we have today. So from our side, we should recognize that and give them a round of applause. Thank you very much for bearing with us, especially Rumjum Madam as head of HR. And you have been very, very tolerant towards, sometimes our adamancy and absorbing all of that. Ramesh is the reason why FEDCO has been actually formed. Us getting into the distribution franchisee area was Ramesh's idea. I was here only to implement his idea. So all that credit goes to him. And of course Ram. See, Ram is like that school teacher whom you always wish would, make you stand up in the class and say, "Boss, today you have done very good work." So Ram is that for us. His constant guidance, his constant questioning, his constant analysis, and his constant support has really helped us in various stages of our journey. We are sorely missing our chairman, Vinayak, who unfortunately could not make it because of some personal emergency. If he was there, it would have been much more better for us. To the team, I'm saying you have heard me talk about professionalism, the need for the right ethics in my first address to you in 2013. Last year I spoke about the importance of system adherence and quality. My short message this time to all of you is working as a team and remain motivated. We have done a lot of things correctly in our journey of 3 years, but as in any such journey, there are areas of improvement. We all know about it. Our efforts of what we have done in these 4 divisions is not only recognized by the government here, by CESU, by the Regulatory Commission, but it is now getting acceptance in the national arena also. The ministry talks about it. There are state discoms who are inviting us to, come and talk to them to extend our services. So what the work that you are doing is actually taking us places, not only in the Odisha sector, in the Odisha context, but also in the national sector. So thank you very much. Please continue the way you are working. Remain motivated, and we are all working for a cause, which is to be the best electricity distribution company in India, and I'm sure we'll achieve it in very, very shortly. With that, and I know it's a packed schedule, I would like to invite Mr. Ram Subramaniam. He will address us and share his views about FEDCO, and thank you. Thank you very much.
Feeling to be here, particularly sharing the sense of being a family, right? And particularly a large and growing family that FEDCO has now become. So thank you very much. I feel honored and privileged to be amongst family and friends. I think FEDCO is in many, many ways a dream come true for me. And I'm going to single out 3 dimensions as to why, and I'm going to strike a personal note, why FEDCO is a dream come true for me. First of all, I trust that all of you know that in feedback, we have a mission statement which says, by supporting the development of infrastructure, the feedback group will make a difference to communities and countries. Right? I hold, we didn't start with this mission. Somewhere in the journey of feedback, it has come to have some personal meaning for me. And I will repeat that mission statement simply because it means a lot to me. By supporting the development of infrastructure, we will make a difference to communities and countries. Now, why do I say that FEDCO now has a special place in my heart? Right? I think it's a very simple reason. I think you have made this aspect of my dream come true. You are, in the work that you do, all 400, 500, 2,000 of you, in the work that you do, you have begun to make a difference to communities and countries. So it's my dream coming true thanks to your work. I was in a meeting yesterday with colleagues, and I was actually struck by one simple arithmetic that Devtosh, Ramesh and Mr. Apte put before me, saying in the last 3 years, just working in 4 divisions, your effort, right, has resulted in a loss reduction trajectory of about 65 crores in 3 years. Right? We have now brought it down to where, as far as CESU is concerned, they are almost at a break-even level. Right? This you have done through your efforts in just 4 divisions. I am told back of the envelope calculation saying if we do this for the state of Odisha, and Ramesh will bear me out, it's probably a saving of about 2,000 crores per annum if you can simply multiply the efforts that you have done in 4 divisions across the 80 odd divisions that the state has. Imagine what this 2,000 crore saving in Odisha can do if you were to multiply it across 25, 30 states, that's the union of our country. It's about roughly 50, 60,000 crores per annum. Right? I am told that the overall deficit in the distribution sector, right, is of the order of what, 400,000, 300,000, 400,000 lakh crores in the country. That's the kind of losses that the sector has had to bear. If your efforts and your proven performance can be multiplied across a span of say 5 to 7 years, the entire sector will be reformed. Right? So I just want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for making my dream come true. You have begun to impact communities, the 4 divisions that you serve. And I'm hoping and praying that there will be a day when we will carry this example of FEDCO in Odisha beyond the contours of the state to other states in the country and begin to make an impact at a national level. This is not just a dream. Devtosh has already spoken about it, saying your efforts are beginning to actually have recognition at a national level. Right? I met a newly joined colleague, Mr. Srivastava, who's here, and he was speaking to me about saying FEDCO today is known in the country for proven performance over the last 3 years. Right? What more can I ask for in terms of saying making a difference to communities and countries? So this is the first dimension in which you have made my dream come true. There's a second dimension in which you are making my dream come true. FEDCO is a good emblem to me of what a growing India, of what a new age India is. Right? It's a new age India, it's a new age feedback, and in you I see great signs of my dream coming true. What are those dimensions of saying it's emblematic of a new India? Right? It's first of all the youthful profile. Right? I dare say that the average age profile of all of you in the FEDCO family will be what, 20, 25? Right? It is indeed a youthful profile. Equally importantly, a youthful profile full of talent and promise. I have been in a meeting yesterday where a lot of heat and light and a lot of debate happened around saying what should we do to improve our performance. The talent and potential that I saw in the group that I was interacting with yesterday, right? Your divisional managers, Abhay was there, Biswajit was there, Tapan was there, the analytics gang was there, the vigilance gang was there, the special cell was there, Dr. Rath was there. A lot of debate and discussion which to me brought out the huge promise, the talent and potential that all of you sitting in front of me have. It is again a dream come true to me saying, can we harness this talent for the benefit of our community over here? Third, you are emblematic of a new modern India. You are all technologically savvy. Right? Maruti, I'm sure, is somewhere in the audience, but there are 10s, 20s, 30s of Marutis over here who are all technologically savvy. Terms that are new to me, GIS, consumer indexing, CMRI, AMR, SBMs, tabs, smart meters. You guys are at the cutting edge of technology, and I think I feel proud and privileged to be in a community like yours, which is at the forefront of employing technology. I am told that the experiments that you are doing with LONGi in smart meters is actually at the cutting edge of smart meters. The rest of the country is simply talking. You guys have done it and have shown that it is possible and are leading the way in terms of technological savviness in the country. Again, my heart is really gladdened to be amidst your midst. It is again a dream come true. And something that I hold very, very dear to my heart, and Devtosh has already spoken about it, which is saying to be ethical. Right? I think the distribution sector is known for being corruption-ridden across the rest of the country. Right? I am really proud. I am really proud that in FEDCO, in this 400-strong community that I see before me, we set ethical benchmarks. We are known for our ethical standards. Right? And hats off to Devtosh to be leading this charge, where it makes me really proud to be one more team member sharing the same standards, the same ethical values that all of you have. Again, it is indeed a dream come true. The third dimension of why I'm so happy to be here and so happy to see my dreams come true is saying FEDCO is truly a great organization. It's an outstanding organization. Devtosh has spoken about saying a couple of years back, or maybe the first year, the second year, he spoke about the need for systems and processes. I think the systems and processes that FEDCO has built up is a huge asset. I think it's an asset that I think needs job in terms of bringing out these systems and processes. It's a fantastic piece of work. I was again in this meeting yesterday, which went on for, I dare say, about 10 hours. Right? The can-do, must-do attitude, Devtosh referred to it yesterday saying, as far as the next 2 quarters go for the remaining part of the year, right? In the team of 400 people, there is a can-do, must-do attitude saying we must improve our performance. I think it's a great aspect of the FEDCO family that you have this phenomenal attitude of saying can-do, must-do, coming from this youthful profile, a profile of great talent and promise. I think it's really great. I was all heat and part light yesterday, and fighting, pulling, pushing, debating. But it was great to see the teamwork in the 10, 12 people in the room yesterday and the larger 400 people of you working out in the field. I think you are a great team with a great leader, with great leadership. Right? And I think it's all of this, right, is very palpable. You can feel it, right? But all of this adds up to one thing, which is the FEDCO culture. This culture of saying, of doing something which impacts the community. You have a connect with the community, right? This culture of saying you are one team internally, professionals bonded in service. But beyond all of that, I think there's one great cultural aspect, which is what I see before me today. We are one FEDCO family at the end of the day, all together, bonded together in one service. So these are the 3 dimensions in which I feel really privileged and proud to be in your midst today. Is part family member. The larger feedback group, I'm proud to say this, has been growing in terms of a revenue growth, a compound annual growth, means every year our turnover grows at 25% plus. It is a huge growth in today's troubled times, saying we are growing at the feedback group level at a compound growth rate every year of 25% plus. In the last 4 or 5 years, we have diversified into operations and maintenance. Right? Today, 40-45% of our group turnover comes from subsidiaries like FEDCO, market leaders. Thanks to your efforts, FEDCO is truly a market leader. Feedback Brisa in highways operations and maintenance is the largest third-party operations and maintenance of highways. In fact, they're also here in the Bhubaneswar-Puri road. They are maintaining it, they are tolling it, etc. Right? They are the market leaders in the country. So in the last 5 years, we have diversified. We have become market leaders in operations and maintenance. We are growing in our services. Right? I am going to throw some jargon at you, but jargon from your field, which is power distribution. Right? We have expanded our services, value-added consulting, value-added implementation, something else called Dimple. Very importantly for our customers, right? We have a very significant value proposition saying we are in consulting, we are in design, we are in project management, and we are in operations and maintenance. Right? Fedco is an outstanding example of the value that we provide by virtue of being in all aspects of the chain. Thanks to your efforts, I think when we go for consulting, when we go for design, they say Fedco is an outstanding example of proven results and performance. We will buy your consulting, we will buy your value-added implementation, and so on and so forth. So integrated services is a reality thanks to your efforts. We are growing in multiple geographies. Right? Today, we have been at a very rough count in at least 25 to 30 countries across the globe. We are in 4 geographies: Southeast Asia, we are in the Indian subcontinent, we are in the Middle East, and for us, the dark continent of Africa is really beckoning, and it's a huge excitement that both Southeast Asia and Africa are taking us. So today, 20% of our turnover comes from international operations, and in a span of say 3 to 4 years, we are hoping that this 20% of our turnover from international operations will become 40%. So it's a doubling, and there's huge excitement at our end saying we are hoping to become a true Indian multinational expanding into other regions. We are growing in tech savviness, and I've already referred to this before saying you guys are at the cutting edge of being tech savvy, right? And I think the rest of the feedback group is now learning lessons from Fedco, and we are also becoming tech savvy in terms of new stuff that we are doing, bridge inspection, asset management, building information modeling, MEP, SP3D, lots of jargon, but only to say that there's a new will in our blood saying we are becoming tech savvy, learning from the example of Fedco. We are growing in our corporate governance, right? Our code of conduct, our ethics, our values are becoming stronger across the feedback group. Right? Another aspect, which is a very important aspect, we are also growing in our caring for communities. Up in Gurgaon, near Gurgaon, we have taken over a small community, a small village of 250 families, right? And through the Feedback Foundation, which is our corporate social responsibility arm, right? We are caring for that village. Another example is saying Feedback Foundation has taught the SHGs here how to make candles, right? And you've just seen an example, it's right at the end of the room, saying how can we actually help communities earn livelihoods and improve their livelihoods by caring for communities, right? So the feedback group, another aspect of that is saying we have begun very strongly to exhibit our caring for communities. We are growing in partnerships. Brisa, AECOM, VPC, ABG, LTTI, REC, I can multiply this 20 times over to say I think we are growing very vibrantly. Last point, we are going to be raising capital. Right? It may yet come to pass that by end of January, right, we will actually have a new investor, very significant liquidity coming into feedback group and into Fedco. I know that many of us have actually felt the strain of liquidity. Some of us not getting our salaries in time, some of us not getting some reimbursements on time, etc. Right? I would like to assure you, saying at the outside by end of January, we hope that we will emerge as a very strongly capitalized company with new investors, with new liquidity, and with a lot more bounce in our midst. I think that's a great thing. So I'd like to end with saying, thanks to your efforts, that we have great opportunities, we have a great future. What do I mean by great opportunities for Fedco and this community in particular? Saying more distribution franchises, more value-added consulting, more value-added implementation, EPC, distribution implementation, network rollouts, etc. I think opportunities that you have created are immense. I'm going to leave one challenge, one collective challenge for all of us, and I'm addressing it to Ramesh and Devtosh in particular. At the feedback group level, we have taken 25 years. We are celebrating our 25th year today, this year at the feedback group level. We have taken 25 years to reach a turnover at a group level approximately of 400 crores. Right? My collective challenge to all of us, thanks to your efforts, is saying what we have taken 25 years to achieve, which is 400 crores, can we in the next 5 years in FedCo achieve the same 400 crores. Right? So in 5 years, so it's a target. And I make no bones about it. I think thanks to your efforts, it is eminently doable. It is, to my mind, it's a very conservative target to say that what we have done in 25 years, you guys have to do it in 5 years. I am confident from the group that I see before me, your efforts and your program performance, that we will all collectively achieve it. Thank you very much for giving me this dream and making this dream come alive. God bless you all.